Welcome to my channel. This is another one of my Sunday dinner recipes, and today we're doing beef short ribs. The ingredients for this recipe will be salt, brown sugar, liquid smoke, smoked paprika, I use the blend seasoning, some barbecue sauce, I use Jack Daniels, some cooking oil of your choice, and of course some short beef ribs. And now at this point, I like to mix my spices together. Smoked paprika, the blend, salt, brown sugar, and then we mix it up. Simple, easy. And once you get everything mixed together evenly, you should be good to go. Okay, next it's time to clean and dry off the ribs. Once everything all nice and dry, get it prepped up, ready to season the meat. First I put in the oil. Then I put in the liquid smoke. And I give it a nice little massage. Gotta get your hands dirty. And I go ahead and add the seasoning that I mixed together earlier. Put in a little bit, massage it in, put a little bit more, massage it in. Once it's completely covered all the way, and it should be good. And it should come out like this.
Oh, wow.
Set. Nice. Everything completely covered. Once you get the ribs completely covered with the season, let it marinate for 4 hours. It's best to let it marinate overnight for best results. Okay, now it's been 4 hours. It's time to lay it out, wrap it up in aluminum foil nice and tight so it can go in the oven and let it cook for 2 hours. And make sure you wrap it up nice and tight to be sure to get no air or anything inside so it can steam evenly and cook and get that tender rib look that you're looking for at the end. Now put it in the oven and let it cook. Okay, now we're at the 2 hours. Take it out. See how it look. Ready, right? Close up. Things looking good. Nice, steamy. Marinating in its own juices. Now you want to go ahead and put the barbecue sauce on it. You got to get everyone one at a time individually. Give it that love. Nice glaze to it. You see it?
Nice.
and then I put it back in the oven for about 10 more minutes just so that barbecue sauce can sit and glaze on it just right. And 10 minutes later, there you have it, beef short ribs.
Delicious.
Nice.
Okay, hold up, wait. If you made it this far in the video, thank you. I appreciate you. This is the whole Sunday dinner plate. The vegetables I will have in the next video that will be shown next week.